Right, students. So question number 5, that is assertion reason. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. We have started. Let's say this is a tower. This is a point on the ground. Right. So this is tower. This is point on the ground. We have to check whether the angle of elevation is 30 degree and this point is 30 meter from the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and height of the tower is 10 root 3. We have to check whether this information is correct or not. Right? Height of the tower is 10 root 3 or not. How to do this, bache? The relation between, we can check it by two ways. Either we can take perpendicular and base in the form of tan theta. Let's say if it is theta, so tan theta will be equal to 10 root 3 upon 30. So what it becomes? Tan theta is root 3 by 3. Now 3 can be written as root 3 multiplied by root 3. Is this clear, bacho? Is it clear or not? Am I audible? बच्चे am I audible? Please raise your hand. अगर मेरी आवाज आ रही है तो. So is this correct or not? बेटा root 3 into root 3 can be written as 3. So ये जो 3 था इसको मैंने root 3 into root 3 लिख दिया. So 1 root 3 will be cancel out and tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. तो थीटा कितना आ जाएगा बच्चों यहाँ से? tan की वैल्यू 1 by root 3 is at tan 30 degree. So theta is 30 degree. So therefore this information is true, means assertion is true. Now comes to the reason. The angle of depression and angle of elevation are equal. Is it true? Is this true or false? Bachche, this is false. So your answer will be assertion true, reason false. Assertion true, reason false. Which choice? Bachche, why you are not responding? C option, right? Come to the question number 6. The angle of elevation of a tower from 2 points which are at distances 12 meter and 64 meter from the foot of the tower on the opposite sides are complementary. हाँ जी students, ध्यान से देखिए बेटा. Try to understand the question. The angle of elevation of a tower. This is a tower, right? Angle of elevation of a tower from 2 points which are at distance 12 meters. One point is at a distance of 12 meter. Let's say this is the point. This distance is 12 meter. Another point is this distance is 64 meter. This is clear? 64? Yes. Achha, on the opposite sides. Okay. Now this is wrong. We have to draw it on the opposite side. Right? So that's mean this is on this side. This is 64 meter. This. And these, okay. And these angles are complementary. What is the meaning of complementary? If this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta. Is it clear, bacho? Now we have to find the height of this tower, right? And it is given as 24. We have to check whether it is 24 or not. How to do this? Now we have, let's say tower is AB. This point is C, this point is D. This is clear? Now we'll apply the concept of tan theta in two triangles, that is A, B and C and A, B and D. दो triangles के अंदर बच्चे you will apply the concept of tan theta. So now in triangle ABC, what will be tan theta? H upon, is it clear? Is this clear or not? In triangle ABD, now angle is, what is the angle of elevation? 90 minus theta. So what we write? And this will be equal to, here. Is this step clear, students? Yes or no? So now, bachcho, you know what is tan 90 minus theta? What is the value of tan 90 minus theta? Beta, you have done the trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. This will become equal to cot theta. Right? This will become cot theta. बच्चे जितने भी complementary angles की ratio होती है, for example, if it is sine of 90 minus theta, it is equal to cos theta. Right? Cos of 90 minus theta equal to sine theta. Right? Similarly, tan of 90 minus theta, cot theta. Cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta. Secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta, and cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. So we'll apply the concept, right? And this tan 90 minus theta will become cot theta. This is equation 2. Have you understood this? Have you understood or not, students? Bache, please tell me whether you have understood or not. Next step क्या हो जाएगा? Now first equation is tan theta is h by 12. Second is cot theta is, right? Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Now, yes. Can we multiply both tan theta into cot theta? Similarly, you multiply h by 12 into, this will be cancelled out. Tan theta into cot theta is, what is the product of tan theta multiplied by cot theta? 1. 1. Because it is reciprocal. So what we got? 64 into 12. और h square कितना आ गया बच्चों? Now can you tell me the value of h? How to find out the value of h? This can be written as 8 into 8 into, so h can be written as 8 into 2 root 3, that is 16 root 3. But the answer is given 24 meters. So therefore assertion is false. Right? Now comes to the reason. The angle of elevation of a tower from 2 points which at a distance of A and B from the foot of the tower are complementary. Now the question we have done, the same thing is given in the reason. What is reason? H. Distance is, let's say this distance is A and this distance is B. And these angles are complementary. Same question is given here. If you draw the diagram, it comes out to be the same question. Now by question what we have got, product of A and B, and H will be equal to बेटा अगर आप previous question देखिए जरा, what you have got, H square equal to the product of two distances, yes or no? Here the distances are A and B, so we'll take their product. What will be H equal to? Square root of AB. Have you understood? So therefore reason is true. और choice कौन सी हो जाएगी बच्चों? Assertion false, reason true. So therefore the choice will be T choice. Okay? Is it clear बच्चों? Why you are not responding today बच्चों? आपसे पूछ रहा हूं मैं. 6 sections are there. माइक नहीं ठीक है आप लोगों का क्या? आप बोल नहीं रहे आज बिल्कुल भी. No, I can't hear you बेटा. Can see. माइक नहीं ठीक है I think. What about the other section D? Is it clear or not बच्चों?
Yes.
Right. So now we move on to the case study. First of all, just read the case study बच्चे. देखिए अब यहाँ पे ना विजुअलाइज करना है आपको. टावर क्रेन्स आर ए कॉमन फिक्सचर एट एनी मेजर कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट. आप लोगों ने देखी होगी बेटा ये कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट पे ये जो क्रेन्स होती है इस तरह की टावर क्रेन्स. टुडे एवरी ह्यूज बिल्डिंग, एवरी मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग इज made using these type of cranes, right? They are pretty hard to miss. They often rise hundreds of feet into the air and can reach out just as far. अब देखिए कैसी होती है बच्चा, ये देखिए ये क्रेन किस तरह से होती है. ये यहाँ पे एक वायर होती है इसकी. Is this clear? Now when यहाँ इस पॉइंट पे रोटेट करते हैं इसको, it can rotate like this or this. इसको जितना ऊपर लेके जाएंगे ये डिस्टेंस उतना राइज होता जाएगा. नाउ सी हाउ इट वर्क्स. एज यू रोटेट इट हाइट इंक्रीज हो रही है. सी दिस हाइट इज इंक्रीज्ड बट दिस डिस्टेंस इज डिक्रीज्ड. कैन यू सी दिस? नाउ दिस कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी यूजिंग इन दिस केस स्टडी. जैसे ही देखिए ये आपके पास इसकी क्रेन का पिवट पॉइंट है, इसको बोलते हैं पिवट पॉइंट. यहां से जब इसको रोटेट करते हैं, जैसे सपोज हमारी ये नी है ना, यहां से हम इसको रोटेट कर रहे हैं ऐसे, तो ऐसे क्रेन को रोटेट कर रहे हैं. जब इसको ऊपर की तरफ रोटेट कर रहे हैं, सो दिस वायर को है लेंथ इंक्रीज कर देते हैं जी. इज दिस क्लियर? सो जो डिस्टेंस है बिटवीन द वायर एंड दिस पिवट पॉइंट, जैसे इसको हाई राइज करेंगे तो डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. दिस डिस्टेंस विल कम हियर और हाइट विल इंक्रीज, राइट? So come back to this. They pretty hard to miss. They often rise hundreds of feet into the air and can reach out just as far. The construction crew uses the tower crane to lift steel, concrete, large tools like acetylene torches and generators. ठीक है जी, हैवी चीजों को पिक करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. And a wide variety of other building materials. A crane stands on a level ground. अब जो फिगर दी हुई है लेवल ग्राउंड पे खड़ी है क्रेन. इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय टावर ए बी. अब ये जो टावर ए बी है, दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी, दिस इज ए, राइट? दिस क्रेन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय टावर ए बी. हाँ जी, ऑफ हाइट 24 मीटर. दिस इज 24 मीटर, राइट? एंड ए जिप बी आर. इसको बेटा जो ये लेंथ होती है ना, इसको हम बोलते हैं जिप, राइट? जिप बी आर. द जिप इज ऑफ लेंथ 16 मीटर. मैं थोड़ा सा डायग्राम यहाँ पे और क्लैरिटी से बनाता हूँ. This jib is of length 16 meter, right? And can rotate in a vertical plane about B. A vertical cable RS. This is R. This is the cable, right? Vertical cable RS carries a load S, right? ये देखिए जो ये यहाँ पे इसके हुक लगी हुई है बच्चों, यहाँ पे आप लोड कैरी करते हैं जी. Is this clear? The diagram shows current position of the jib, cable and load. Now first thing we have to find what is the distance. What is the distance BS? This is 8. We have to find this distance. How we'll find BS? Tell me students. Pythagoras theorem. Please find out. बेटा ये 10C के अंदर बच्चे why you are not doing the question? I can see two students in the center line, second bench. हाँ जी students. Center line sir. हाँ जी ये यही दोनों sir. Not doing sir. Okay sir. हाँ जी बच्चों हो गया. बेटा इतना मुश्किल काम है. हाँ जी सिंपल है ना बच्चे. BS स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ये हो जाएगा जी 16 स्क्वायर माइनस 8 स्क्वायर. हाँ जी कितना आ गया बेटा? इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया 16 स्क्वायर कितना होता है जी? व्हाट इज 16 स्क्वायर? 256 minus 64. What this becomes? हाँ जी स्टूडेंट्स 192 is 192 a perfect square. बेटा इसके फैक्टर्स बना दो. ये बन जाएगा जी 96 इंटू 2. मतलब इसके फैक्टर बनाओगे आप तो आपके पास बनेगा 8 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 24, राइट. और इसको फर्दर किया आपने तो 8 बन रहा है बच्चे. 8 into 8 into 3. So BS will be equal to, right जी. Choice A will be the right answer. Understood? Now comes to the second question. What is the angle that the jib beer make with the horizontal? Now you have to find this angle. Please find out this angle. Please find out this angle. Anji? E option. E option. Angle of 40 degree. 30. Yes. 30 degree. Sorry. 30 degree जी. ठीक है. बेटा स्क्रीन विजिबल है आप लोगों को? No, just a moment. I think some technical issue. Just wait for a minute. Yes, students, see how to find the angle. Now we have this perpendicular and hypotenuse. The relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse is, what is the relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse? Yes, sine theta, students. Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sine theta will become 1 by 2, and the value of sine is 1 by 2 at 30 degree. So theta will be equal to 30 degree. Is it clear, bachcho? So theta will be 30 degree. Now comes to the next part. What is the measure of the angle BRS? Yes. What will be BRS? आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा आपकी 10D से. नहीं, समथिंग इज नॉट रॉन्ग. बेटा पहले उसको लाइट को ऑन करो ना, ब्लू आएगा. नाउ स्पीक. नो, समथिंग इज नॉट.
ए ऑप्शन.
हाँ जी, 60 डिग्री. सिंपल है ना बेटा. अगर ये 30 है तो ये दोनों कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल हो गए. सो दैट विल बी 60 डिग्री. राइट. कितना सिंपल क्वेश्चन था ये तो. Come back to the question number 4. Now the jib BR has been rotated and the length RS is increased. Now comes the, हाँ जी, रोटेट किया और लेंथ RS इंक्रीज कर दीजिए. The load is now on the ground at a point 8 meter from A. अब देखिए बच्चे जरा इसका डायग्राम देखिए. Now the jib BR has been rotated and the length RS is increased. अब ये देखिए, ये आपका AB है. दिस इज योर जिप. इसको हमने रोटेट कर दिया. राइट. इसको रोटेट कर दिया बेटा. एंड लेंथ RS जो है वो इंक्रीज कर दी है लाइक दिस. और ये ग्राउंड लेवल पे है. राइट. दिस इज R, दिस इज S. इज इट ओके? The load is on the ground at a point 8 meter from A. Means this point is 8 meter. What is the angle through which the jib has been rotated? अब देखो क्वेश्चन देखिए क्या है बेटा. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. अब वो क्या कह रहा है कि जो ये जिप जो है अर्लियर जो इसका एंगल कितना था बेटा? व्हाट वाज द अर्लियर एंगल? 30 degree. Now we have to find how much this angle has been rotated. This angle we have to find. Understood? How you will do it? This distance is given to us, 8 meter. This is the height is 24 meter. This length is, how much is this length? ये कितनी थी बेटा? 16 मीटर है ना ये तो. If this is 8, तो this will also be 8. Right or not? बच्चे, if this distance is 8, then this will also be 8.
Yes.
So what will be the angle? What will be the angle now? Now this total angle, let's say this angle is theta, right? So what will be cos theta? Now we have base as well as hypotenuse. So relation between base and hypotenuse is cos theta. So cos theta will become 8 by 16. So cos theta is 1 by 2. Value of cos theta 1 by 2 कब होती है बच्चों? 60. Right? So what it become? Cos theta is equal to cos 30 degree. So then theta is, 60 degrees. So theta comes out to be 60 degree. So what is the change? Change in angle कितना हो गया? Earlier it was 30 degree. So it has increased to 60 degree. So how much, by how much angle it has been rotating now?
30.
30. So the answer will be
30.
C choice.
C 30.
Understood or not? See, earlier I have told you how it works. As you rotate it, right, its height will increase, but the horizontal distance will decrease. So same concept has been applied. As you rotate it, यहां से आपने बच्चों रोटेट किया, ये वाली लेंथ तो फिक्स है, BR is fixed, but its height is increased. When height is increased, then the base has been decreased. समझ में आया आप लोगों को या नहीं आया जी? Still any doubt, please let me know. चलिए मैं एक और एग्जांपल से समझाता हूँ. Suppose this is a circle. Try to understand. Now, let's say this was B, this was R. Right, बच्चों? If you rotate it, but you can observe, when you have increased the theta, this is theta. When you have increased the theta, perpendicular has increased, but base has decreased. Understood or not? Are you getting it or not? It is working like this. When you are rotating it, right? If height is increased, then the horizontal distance is decreased. If height is decreased, horizontal distance is increased. Is it okay? Understood or not?
Yes.
Clear हो गया ना बच्चों? Now comes to the last part. What is the length by which RS has been increased? अब आपको RS की length find out करनी है. What is the length of RS? This is the length of RS. How you will find out this? We know that this length is 24. तो यहाँ तक तो 24 हो गई बच्चे. If we can find out this length, that is BRS, S नीचे RT. If we can find out the RT,
8√3.
कितनी आ रही है बेटा ये? ये 8√3 आ जाएगी अभी. सेम क्वेश्चन है ना जो अभी किया था फर्स्ट पार्ट. 8√3 plus 24, right? So answer will be. Is it clear? So this will be the answer of the last part. If anyone not understood this concept, please tell me. किसी को बेटा ये लास्ट पार्ट नहीं समझ आया तो प्लीज बताइए. Right, we move on to the next module. हाँ जी, क्वेश्चन देखिए बच्चों. In the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle in which segment AP and AQ are drawn as shown. Right? ABCD is a rectangle. Right? Let's say this is a rectangle. Is it clear? A, B, C, D. Right, बच्चों? In which line segment AP and AQ are drawn as shown. Right, बच्चों? This is Q, this is right जी. This angle is 30 degree. This is also 30 degree. Right? Yes. The length of the rectangle is 90 meter and breadth is 60 meter. Clear? ठीक है. We have to find the length of AP and AQ. how to find out the length of AP and AQ? Yes, who will tell me? Please just look at the figure and tell me how to find the length of AP and AQ. Anyone?
As ABCD is a rectangle.
Stand up first and then tell me, beta. Please. मुझे नजर नहीं आ रहे हो आप कौन बोल रहा है? हाँ जी प्लीज टेल मी बेटा.
BC is equal to AD, opposite sides of rectangle, both sides are equal.
Yes.
Centimeter. So we will apply a sin 30 degrees equal to B by H in triangle AQD, and we will in triangle ABQ where we have theta 30 degree and angle be 90 degree. Apply a trigonometric ratio and we will find out the value of.
Yes. Very good, beta. Very good. Please sit down. See, students, we will use here two triangles. One is ADQ, as we know that this breadth of this rectangle is 60 meter, right? Similarly, we know that the length is 90 meter, so we'll use a triangle PBA. So first of all, let's in triangle PBA. Now, this angle is 30 degree. What will be this angle? What will be this angle, students? 60 degree? Yes or no? Because these two angles are complementary. Have you understood or not, Ji?
Yes.
Or you can use only 30 degree also if you don't want to find 60 degree. So now this angle is 60 degree and base is given to us. We have to find the perpendicular. So we can take tan 60 degree is equal to AP over. Is it clear, बच्चों? What is the value of tan 60 degree? Yeah. Anji? Yes, tell me, beta. Yes. AP we have to find out the value of tan 60 is root 3 and AB is given 90 meter. So the AP will be equal to 90 root 3 meter. Now we have to find out AQ. Now in triangle ADQ, right angle at D. So now this angle is given और इसके opposite side perpendicular है. So perpendicular is also given. We have to find the hypotenuse. So which concept will apply here? Which trigonometric ratio? Yes, कौन बताएगा बच्चे? Sin theta. And theta is here 30 degree. Sin 30 will be equal to AD over AQ. What is the value of sin 30? 1 by 2. What is AD? 60 upon AQ. बच्चे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे तो AQ will be equal to 120. So our answer will be AP plus AQ. Just add these two. 90 plus 120. Just look at the choices. Do we have any choice? Here we have applied tan 60 AP. No, we will not have any choice. So AP is this 30 degree. Then yes, students, these options are not correct. Something is wrong in the options, right? Is this clear, बच्चों? Because if you add 120 plus 90 root 3, इनमें से कोई भी ऑप्शन आपके पास नहीं आ रही है. आ रही है जी कोई? None of the option you are getting. हाँ जी. आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा आपकी क्लियर।
सर
हाँ जी
सर जो आपने tan 60 equals to लिखा है वहाँ पे BP आएगा।
सॉरी यस यस यस। अच्छा अपने को एक मिनट अपने को एक ही फाइंड आउट करना है, एक जस्ट मिनट। यहाँ पे ना tan 60 नहीं हम लेंगे सर, हमारा हो जाएगा यहाँ पे यस AP गलत लिख दिया मैंने। सो AP इज hypotenuse, so we'll take sorry sin 60 students. We have been given base and hypotenuse. Base and hypotenuse, then we'll apply cos 60, right? Cos 60 will become AB over AP. By mistake I have taken this as A, right? So the AP is 1 by 2 equal to what is AB? 90 upon, so AP will be equal to 90 into 2, that is 180 meter. So now it is correct. 120 plus 180. So answer will be A choice. Right, बच्चों? Is this clear? Is this clear, students? So this was AP was hypotenuse. So by mistake I have taken this perpendicular. Next question पे चलते हैं बच्चों. There is a tree between houses A and B. If the tree leans on A's house, देखिए बेटा, there are two houses. Let's say this is A house and this is B house, right? But he says if the tree leans on A's house, the tree top rests on his window, which is 12 meter from the ground. हाँ जी,
टाइम हो गया।
okay बच्चों. So we'll continue tomorrow the same thing. Thank you very much students for joining.